Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can sign out of your Patreon's account. Keep watching the video till the end. To sign out of your Patreon's account, firstly go ahead and launch open your Patreon application. The homepage of Patreon application will appear on the screen. Click on your profile icon at the top right corner of the page. From the displayed options, click on Logout. It will log you out of your Patreon's account in no time. This is how you can log out of your Patreon's account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.